Umentri rangba kejelau konrat ke sama menta kesni ulai thu baka MeECL kadebanton la ujong nongpyniaid knang bagi kam sam boarding electric kinyahat bet ya jinti ha kejela habakren hakinong tho kot khubor umentri rangba ulai thu baka Sorkar menta kadangwat yu briu ban peniaid ya ka MeECL bar udairu ban long ubat tip kumno ban pet ye ki kam pisa tingka jongkani ke corporation.
And we felt, see, independent inquiry is independent inquiry. Everything that has to be received, not received is already on paper and documentation. Nobody can do anything to that. But we felt as a team that because of the fact that right now MeECL is facing and is going to inevitably face a very, very difficult financial situation in the coming 8 to 9 months. We needed a senior person, somebody who's connected with finance, to be there, at least for time being, to be able to steer the entire ship and closely coordinate with finance and move things forward. Rebecca also is very burdened. She has got a lot of departments with her. We will examine on how to move forward in this and see how we can maybe at the end find somebody who can be permanently a chairperson, because an organization like MeECL requires a permanent person to be sitting there. So therefore, till that time, we get somebody permanently. We felt that somebody who's close with finance and a senior administrative person should come to